Welcome to Bali, the island of gods, a land of vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes and ancient traditions. Today, we venture beyond the familiar, peeling back the layers of this tropical paradise to uncover some of its best-kept secrets. From the cascading rice terraces to the shimmering coral reefs, Bali is a treasure trove of natural wonders. But it's the island's hidden gems, the lesser-known aspects of its culture and heritage, that truly captivate the imagination. Join me as we delve into the heart of Bali, exploring 10 remarkable facets of this island that often escape the tourist trail. These are the stories whispered on the wind, the secrets etched into the very fabric of this enchanting land. Stay tuned to learn more. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Bali's verdant rice paddies, where an ancient system of water management known as Subak has been practiced for over a millennium. Imagine a network of canals and tunnels carefully engineered to channel water from mountain springs to terraced fields, ensuring an equitable distribution of this life-giving resource. Subak is more than just irrigation. It's a testament to the Balinese philosophy of Trihita Karana, the harmonious balance between humans, nature, and the divine. It's a system built on cooperation, with communities coming together to manage the water temples, ensuring the land's fertility for generations to come. Time in Bali moves to a different rhythm, guided by the Pawukon, a calendar interwoven with the cycles of the moon and sun. It's a complex system with interlocking weeks of varying lengths, each day imbued with its own unique energy and significance. Imagine a calendar where every day is influenced by the celestial dance of the cosmos, where ceremonies and festivals are intricately timed to align with auspicious moments. This is the Pawukon, a living embodiment of Bali's deep connection to the natural world and the spiritual realm. Bali's volcanic origins are evident in its dramatic landscapes, none more so than its striking black sand beaches. Imagine the sun-drenched shores, not of pristine white, but of shimmering black sand, formed over millennia from volcanic rock and minerals. These beaches offer a stark yet beautiful contrast to the typical tropical paradise imagery. The black sand, warm to the touch, absorbs the sun's heat, creating a unique microclimate that supports a different kind of coastal ecosystem. Chapter 4. Hidden Waterfalls, Bali's Secret Aquatic Jewels. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths and you'll discover a hidden world of cascading waterfalls tucked away in the heart of Bali's lush rainforests. Imagine the roar of water as it plunges from towering cliffs, creating refreshing pools shrouded in mist and greenery. These hidden oases offer a sanctuary from the tropical heat, a chance to reconnect with nature's symphony. Each waterfall, from the majestic Sekumpul to the serene Git-Git, holds its own unique charm waiting to be discovered. Chapter 5. Balinese dance, a tapestry of movement and mythology. Dance in Bali is more than just entertainment. It's a living art form, passed down through generations, that embodies the island's rich cultural heritage. Imagine the hypnotic movements of Legong dancers, their bodies adorned in intricate costumes, telling stories of gods and demons, love and loss. From the fierce energy of the Barong dance to the graceful elegance of the Legong, each performance is a visual feast, a captivating blend of artistry, spirituality, and storytelling. Chapter 6. Beneath the Surface, exploring Bali's marine wonderland. Dive beneath the waves that surround Bali, and you'll enter a world teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of colors and creatures. Imagine the graceful dance of manta rays gliding through coral gardens, the vibrant hues of tropical fish darting amongst anemones. Bali's coral reefs are a haven for marine biodiversity, from the smallest nudibranchs to the gentle giants of the sea. It's a world waiting to be explored, a testament to the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Once a year, Bali observes Nyepi, the Day of Silence, a unique cultural practice that offers a profound experience. Imagine an entire island falling silent, streets deserted, businesses closed, even the airport ceasing operations for 24 hours. This is Nyepi, a time for introspection, for self-reflection, and for reconnecting with the rhythms of nature. It's a day to appreciate the absence of noise and distractions, to find peace in the stillness. Chapter 8. Ancient Temples, Echoes of Bali's Spiritual Past. Scattered across Bali's landscape are ancient temples, each a testament to the island's enduring spirituality and architectural prowess. Imagine the towering spires of Pura Besaki, Bali's mother temple, perched high on the slopes of Mount Agung. Or picture the dramatic silhouette of Tanah Lot, a sea temple perched precariously on a rocky outcrop, waves crashing against its base. These temples offer a glimpse into Bali's rich history, a connection to the island's spiritual heart. Chapter 9. A culinary journey, savouring the flavours of Bali. Balinese cuisine is a sensory delight, a harmonious blend of fresh ingredients, aromatic spices and time-honoured traditions. Imagine the succulent babi guling, slow-roasted suckling pig, its skin crackling with flavour. Or savour the intricate flavours of lawar, a traditional meat salad, a symphony of textures and tastes. Each dish tells a story, a testament to the island's culinary heritage. Chapter 10. The Artistry of Tradition, Bali's Craft Heritage. Bali's artistic spirit is evident in its vibrant craft traditions, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. Imagine the intricate details of a hand-carved wooden mask, the delicate filigree of a silver bracelet, the vibrant patterns of a hand-woven ikat textile. These crafts are more than just souvenirs. They're expressions of Balinese culture, tangible links to the island's artistic soul. As we conclude our journey through Bali's hidden gems, we're left with a profound appreciation for the island's rich culture, breathtaking natural beauty, and the warmth of its people. We've only scratched the surface of what this enchanting island has to offer. From the ancient wisdom of the Subak system to the vibrant artistry of its dance and crafts, Bali invites us to delve deeper, to look beyond the tourist facade and discover its true essence. We hope this journey has sparked your curiosity to experience the magic of Bali for yourself. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Bali's hidden gems. We hope you enjoyed discovering these unknown facts about the island. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights.